The 2025 Honda Civic is finally here, and today on Auto Gear Hub Car Garage, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this highly anticipated model. If you're someone who loves style, reliability, and performance all in one package, you're going to fall in love with what Honda has done with the Civic this year. Honda has always been a brand that understands its customers, and with the Civic being one of the most popular cars in the world, the company had a big challenge to make it better than ever before. And trust me, they delivered. This is Car Lust, and today, let's explore why the 2025 Honda Civic is already creating so much buzz. The design of the new Civic is nothing short of stunning. Honda has taken the sleek lines from the previous generation and refined them into something sharper and bolder. The front fascia gets a more aggressive grille with slimmer LED headlights, giving it a sportier and futuristic look. The side profile remains clean and aerodynamic, but the subtle body sculpting makes it look more premium. At the rear, you get new LED tail lights that stretch wider, along with a redesigned bumper that makes the car look more planted on the road. Honda has also introduced new alloy wheel designs that perfectly complement its bold character. Whether you're standing still or driving at high speed, the Civic now looks like a car that belongs in the future. Stepping inside, the 2025 Honda Civic greets you with a cabin that screams sophistication and practicality at the same time. The dashboard has been redesigned with minimalism in mind, featuring a sleek horizontal layout. The centerpiece is a large high-definition touchscreen infotainment system that now comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver display is sharper and more customizable, giving you all the information you need without clutter. Premium materials are used across the cabin, with soft touch surfaces, leather accents, and optional contrast stitching that elevates the Civic to a class above. The seats are redesigned for better comfort on long drives, and Honda has also improved rear passenger space, making sure this car works as well for families as it does for individuals. Technology is where the new Civic really shines. The infotainment system is more responsive and loaded with features, including a premium Bose audio system that delivers crisp sound for music lovers. You also get multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and even over-the-air updates for software, ensuring your Civic is always up to date. Honda has also made driving easier with advanced driver assist features under the Honda Sensing Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new traffic jam assist system that takes the stress out of city driving. The integration of AI-driven driver assistance makes the Civic feel like it's not just a car but your personal co-pilot. Performance-wise, Honda continues to strike the perfect balance between efficiency and excitement. The 2025 Honda Civic comes with two engine options, depending on the market. The standard model offers a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine that provides smooth and reliable power for daily driving. But for those who crave excitement, there's the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that pumps out more horsepower and torque, delivering strong acceleration and a thrilling drive. Both engines are paired with an improved CVT transmission that feels smoother and more responsive than before. Honda has also made refinements to the suspension system, giving the Civic sharper handling while maintaining comfort on rough roads. For enthusiasts, the Civic C and Type R versions will continue to dominate their segments with enhanced performance, but even the base models now deliver driving fun that sets them apart. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Civic's strongest points. Honda knows that buyers want a car that's fun to drive but also light on the wallet. With improved aerodynamics and engine tuning, the 2025 Civic delivers impressive mileage, making it perfect for long commutes and road trips. And for the eco-conscious buyers, Honda is also offering a hybrid version of the Civic in select markets, combining the petrol engine with an electric motor for even better fuel economy and lower emissions. When it comes to safety, Honda has left no stone unturned. The Civic has always been one of the safest cars in its class, and the 2025 model takes it